Right here we had the Ford. We have a Ford Fiesta. It's a 1 liter EcoBoost. Apparently it's coming from Ford. Yeah, they coated the complete engine, but we're just gonna assemble everything and get it on the road. Yeah, the Ford Fiesta 1 liter RS. Okay, here's the crankshaft for the Ford Fiesta. As you can see, do you see how it got damaged? So I've bought another crankshaft, so I'm fitting another crankshaft. So what I'm gonna be doing now, I'm gonna be cleaning pistons and then fit the pistons, assemble everything back, then try and start the engine. Right, as you can see, the pistons, I'm gonna clean them up. Right guys, I've fitted the pistons. Okay, some 2 bolts are short on the piston, so I'm just tightening the caps. But I fitted the pistons, as you can see. I'm just gonna turn the engine so you'll see. Okay. Right. Yeah, we're fitting the oil pump now. I've tucked the bearing caps and the main caps. Yeah, so I'm fitting the oil pump. Yeah. Today I'm gonna show you how to set the 1 liter ecoboost timing without a tool. Firstly, make sure your cams are straight, facing upwards on the lobe. See, straight. The barcode must be facing upwards, the barcode on the crankshaft. Then on your TDC, number 1 piston must be up, but you must lock it on the side so it doesn't move when you're tightening the crank pulley. And make sure that the crank pulley is straight. Using this, okay, we'll use a spline on this hole. Make sure it goes straight, and there's the line to line it up with. Right. Straight, it's locked. Straight, not moving. Then we can tighten the crank pulley bolt. So there's no way that you need the timing tool to set the 1 liter EcoBoost timing. So you just need to know your timing marks and how to lock it. So as it's locked there, we can tighten the pulley bolt and it won't move. It won't be moving at all. It can go backwards, but it cannot go forward. So using a power bar, make sure that it's tight. Right, it's tight. So I'm gonna release. I'm gonna remove all the my locking pins and then turn the engine. If it's loose, the crankshaft will turn alone. It won't turn the cams. If the if the crank bolt is loose. So let's see whether it's tight or loose. As you can see, it's turning, which means it's straight.